By dividing LeBron James' career into three separate eras, Nike is using the Nike LeBron 23 to convey his story. The middle section depicts his divisive Miami years, including the iconic massed events, while the early portion focuses on significant endorsement deals and MVP victories. The last age emphasizes dominance and longevity, highlighting the unprecedented accomplishments that support his claim to be the greatest of all time. There is one milestone that is superior to the others. LeBron became the NBA's all-time top scorer on February 7, 2023, surpassing Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Since then, he has kept up his exceptional output even after turning 40, further separating himself from the rest of the league. With its elegant design, the For the Record colorway honors that heritage. It has a softer purple mesh upper and an iridescent purple and green mudguard. On the medial side, the historic scoring total is represented by the number 38,388, which functions as a badge of honor. On April 10, 2026, the Nike LeBron 23 For the Record will be available for $235 in men's sizes and $165 in grade school sizes at Nike.com and a few other stores.